Hi all, welcome back to RVC Talk. So let's look at Nifty, Bank Nifty, what happened today, how it performed. And yesterday it's actually good overall, good upside momentum. In the last, looking at this level, so seems to be kind of a reversal, right? That means this level, fundamentally this level, whatever is like 23 139, this area is going to be tough in terms of like a crossing today. Have that clarity, and let's look at what happened today. Okay, so now if we see, this is where market opened, which is just above the level, and it took a good support from weekly low, right? So this is our low of the week, and this is our high of the week. Above high of the week, we know that it's going to be kind of a good upside momentum, but low of the week is going to act as a strong support, right? With that, you can expect kind of a reversal. We really took a support here and then started going up, right? So once there is a momentum, this momentum above this level, we clearly kind of like, a majority of us got a clarity. Okay, we should be looking at towards the CE side once this level is crossed, and then kind of from here there seems to be some good upside momentum. This is a kind of a stop loss hunting thing. When you actually enter here, from here to here, this is 23 124, and this level is 23,068. Then almost like 60 points up, right? So you may be raising the stop loss. Obviously that's the way we expect every one of us to trade, right? And then there is a slight reversal, but once it is back to this level, and again there seems to be a good opportunity for majority of us to trade here, right? From here to here, now here to here, why this here, right? So this is where you look at 22, this line itself is a 23 159, but yesterday we're talking about this level, right? So this is 23 138, and this is 23 138, right? From here to here, most of the time this is acting as a support here, and this is acting as a resistance. Obviously, because of the high of the week, tomorrow is going to be an expiry, right? So tomorrow is 30th of Jan, which is an expiry for the month series. So kind of like, need to be a bit careful. If this cross, then upside momentum. If it's not able to cross, as long as the close is below this, let's be careful. Okay, don't jump in, try to get don't take any CE trades here. Okay, so this is our main line. Above this, we should be able to see some further good upside momentum. Now quickly go back and see in the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, if you look at yesterday, is the best day in Bank Nifty to trade. And you look at this yellow from right from the first candle, right there itself, we got a clarity. This level is going to give a major support, right? What is this level? You look at this is a high of the week. Sorry, this is the high of the week. When the price is above the high of the week, we know that this is in a positive momentum, and blind CE calls here would have given like from 48,490 to 49,200. I think straight close to around 800 points, right? Or yeah, 700 plus points. Okay, from here to here, and the last, when the Nifty took a reversal, the same thing happened yesterday. But today, looking at this level, right? You remember 20 43, sorry, 49 200, 49 230, right? 49 200 level. Today, when the market actually opened here, and yesterday this is the area where it got closed, that given a support. Of course, we didn't actually take any trade here, only above this. When we see the yellow with this is the daily level, which is going to act as a resistance. But from here there is a push down, the same way Nifty also, actually we had seen in a big dip there and then the reversal. And this level, the daily level, whole day it seems to be kind of an acting as a strong resistance here. It didn't allow the price to go up, and you see this high is 49 190 levels, and almost like from here, I would say, yeah, from here, 12 o'clock to 3:30, the price seems to be kind of like, it keep on hanging in the same area, thinking that it will cross this, again it will cross, again it will cross, the end, the most of the time, actually, it's a game of expiry. Tomorrow, options price need to come down, right? See, today, if you look at 49 160, right, the close, and 49,000 CE is still above 400 level. Tomorrow, let's say the price is still here and 49,000 CE should come down to less than 200, right? So how it will be done? So they maintain the price in this range, one candle down, one candle up. So they keep on evaporating the option price. It's mainly seller's game, right? So I guess like you are clear on this one. Now, if you look at some of the interesting stocks, right? So I'm not going to cover too many because we have seen very good upside momentums like BSC from 5,150 it went to 5,370 levels, right? So and also this is the Swan Energy is something morning I clearly said like from here you see this good close to around like from 5 7 here we had given an indication once this level is getting crossed and 540 level to 575 and then there is some reversal here, right? And many good stocks like Bajaj. Let me go to Bajaj Finance. We see it from here 7,600 to 7,800 levels, right? So many stocks had given a good upside momentum today, and like Acer Motors, we're talking about this Acer Motors 2 days back that there will be some good upside momentum before the monthly expiry, right? And today there is a 77. In fact, actually, if you see from 109 to 230, 130 points up, and then it at the end actually closed with only 77 rupees upside, right? And there is a Tech M also seems like some upside momentum we had seen, and the major one which got affected in recent times is Sun Pharma, and that almost like from 1700 to 1744 it has given some upside momentum. See the reason why we are talking about, for example, let me go to Shriram Finance, for example. When the monthly high is crossed, we got a notification indication here, and from 540 it went to 553. And see it, for example, right? You clearly we mentioned in group also exactly when this level is crossed. From here, 2894 to it tested a high of 2965, almost like 80 rupees. MWD magic levels really helps you to identify the stocks which are on the breakout. And that, along with in addition to the momentum, that should give a good clarity in terms of what to take, right? Quickly, let me show in terms of what is our screener. Okay, so this is screener. We actually see this one. You look at this right from 9 pre-market, we keep getting the alerts here, right? And people who had an access to MWD indicator and they had an access to this one also. So wherever we see some buy here, right? So Kotak Bank, let me go back to Kotak Bank and show you what happened. This has come at 11:31, right? We see this one at 11:31, right? This is the candle we are talking. 11:31, we got once the level is crossed, we got a notification there, right? And from here, the market seems to be kind of an uptrend. And so even now, if you look at 6:31 p.m., silver crossed a weekly high and monthly high. What happened? Just look at the silver. Silver crossed this level here at 6:30, and from here, 91,460 to 91,850. So 400 rupees up in 5 minutes. You look at this. I'm actually in a 5 minutes chart, guys. Okay. So yeah, MWD magic level definitely will help you. And in case if you are looking for an access to this, please WhatsApp to me at 9494246220. I'm ready to help you. Yeah. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.